In the world of wireless earbuds, the right choice can transform your daily experience. Today, we're comparing two strong contenders, the Samsung Buds Core and the JBL Vibe Buds 2. One is focused on ecosystem integration and comfort, while the other centers on connectivity and the signature sound of a renowned brand. Which one offers the best overall package for your needs? Let's find out. Let's begin with the Samsung Buds Core. Its design is minimalist and effective. As an in-ear earbud, it stands out with a small, stabilizing fin that ensures a remarkably snug and secure fit for most people. It's an earbud that adapts well to long sessions of use, whether at work or during physical exercise. Its audio output is of high quality with a substantial maximum volume, which will suit most listeners well. More discerning listeners, however, might notice a slight loss of clarity at extreme volume levels, but for general use, the experience is balanced and clear. For communication, its microphones provide competent audio capture, suitable for calls and meetings in controlled noise environments. The battery life with the case reaches about 30 hours, with charging done via USB-C. The Find My Earbuds feature, which allows you to locate the earbuds on a map, is a key differentiator. However, its negative point is the customization of the touch controls for A.N.C, or Active Noise Cancellation, which is less practical than on other devices. The effectiveness of the A.N.C itself is good, competently reducing constant noises with a performance similar to its competitor. In terms of price, the Buds Core is generally positioned around $45 to $60. But what if your priorities are different? What if you're looking for maximum battery life and the flexibility to connect to two devices at the same time? This is where the JBL Vibe Buds 2 enters the conversation. Now let's move on to the JBL Vibe Buds 2, also known in some regions as the JBL Wave Buds 2. It features a modern open case design. Also being an in-ear model, its design does not include a stabilizing fin, making the fit a more personal matter. Its audio output delivers the classic JBL sound signature, with clear mids and highs, and a notable focus on low-frequency sounds, which are deep and present. For calls, it uses a set of microphones that work to capture your voice and filter out ambient noise, resulting in clear communication under reasonable conditions. The A.N.C technology in this earbud is efficient for its segment, offering a level of noise cancellation very similar to the Buds Core. Its main strength is its Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, which provides a multi-point connection. The battery is robust, offering a total autonomy of up to 40 hours with the case. The most relevant negative point is the lack of a precise battery indicator for the case within the app. Regarding its value, the Vibe Buds 2 is found in the price range of $40 to $55. The choice, therefore, comes down to your priorities. The Samsung Buds Core is the logical option for those seeking a more secure and universal fit who are already in the brand's ecosystem. The JBL Vibe Buds 2 stands out for its longer battery life, the convenience of a multi-point connection, and a sound signature with an emphasis on low-frequency sounds. I hope this analysis has been helpful. If this video was useful to you and you decide to purchase one of these products, please consider using the affiliate links in the description. It's a simple way to support our work and helps us continue creating content. Everyone, this is a summarized analysis, and I invite you to watch the full, more detailed reviews. Thank you and goodbye.